Is it really just going to be handing in your police ID?
There is no other way. Those involved must avoid conflict of interest during the investigation. I might as well take this opportunity to get some good rest. Is the little guy worrying about me? So cute. Speaking of which, this is all my fault. If I hadn't gotten drunk, I wouldn't have caused you to not be able to go back to school today. As long as you are not mad at me.
Hey, number. Not at all. How could I be mad at you, bro?
You must really want to investigate this case yourself, bro. Even though he is laughing it off, he still showed a very regretful expression.
Did he notice that? What a considerate little guy. Do you know why I went to the police academy, bro?
To investigate Auntie's case.
Because I don't like working hard. Studying hard all the time like you do. Getting into a top prestigious university. It's too exhausting for me. I don't have that kind of endurance. It is much easier to rely on physical strength to enter the police academy. It is like this with studying, and it is like this with work. I am someone who lacks perseverance. I can never stick with anything to the end. So it is the same with dating. Breaking up very easily. Since I know what kind of person I am, I might as well not have any sense of responsibility, and just live an easy life. Oh no, did I go too far? You don't think I am a terrible person, do you, bro?
You are a liar, bro. I don't like it when you lie to me.
Looks like you've really grown up. When you were little, you would never say it out loud if you disliked something.
Then, do you like the way I am now, bro? Or the way I was when I was little?
When did this kid start becoming so charming? Sure. Why is my heart racing? Silly boy, you are my brother. Of course, I like both.
Then, would you like to try dating me?
Dear, honestly, why are you suddenly saying such nonsense? This damn ambiguous atmosphere is driving me crazy. Don't give me all these messy expectations.
It is not sudden to me. If I could, I would rather have asked you this 5 years ago, or even earlier. Clearly, I was the one who appeared first. Why does Yingjun always choose others? Is it because I am not good enough?
Is it troubling? Your problem is that you are too perfect. Highly educated and smart. Not into dressing up but very eye-catching. A handsome guy who doesn't even realize it. And the only child of a rich family. Most importantly, those pitch black eyes. Cute like a little deer's. Being looked at by him like this. Even my ironclad straight heart is about to melt. Who wouldn't like someone like this? But if only he were a girl. Or even a cute tramp would be fine. What am I thinking? I am really going crazy. Do I really have to say, I only think of you as a brother? Such a click a lie. But if I don't cut off his hopes, he'll be the one who gets hurt in the end. I don't want to hurt him. Neither now nor in the future. What on earth should I do? Silly boy. It is not that I always choose others. I have my own standards too. You are not among the options.
Then start adding me in now.
Hey, shouldn't you ask what my requirements are? Why aren't you playing by the rules? This is not something open for discussion. If I could have liked you from the start, I would have already.
I don't want to hear from your mouth. Words saying you don't like me. From now on, every time you say it, until you say you like me. Did brother Yingjun really forget everything? We once did even more excessive things.
Even more excessive things. What are you doing? Don't come over! If you do it again, I'll really get angry!
Have you seen the new novel I bought? Suddenly, I can't find it. It was clearly on the table. Could I have left it in the lounge?
I should be able to search with a phone number for my little cutie's account, right?
1998.
He doesn't seem like the type to register in any other way. Search. It really is his style of doing things. Is it appropriate to add him as a friend at this hour? Could he have fallen asleep already? Even though that kind of thing happened, and he even confessed to me, will adding him now make him misunderstand? But I pushed him away so harshly. I'm so worried he might be secretly sad. What the hell, you brat! I am really a sinner. How could I bully such a cute kid?
Did brother Yingjun really forget everything? We once did even more excessive things.
How could I forget everything?
Bruh, you are drunk.
How could I be? I only drank 6 bottles.
Stop mentioning the 6 bottles.